if you are somebody who wants to quit your vices, if you're addicted to smoking like I was, addicted to drinking, addicted to other shit, bottom line is, it's all here. Kaya nyo tanggalin yan. Diba? Kasi ako nagawa ko nga eh. Tangin na yan. Pinagkaiba ko sa inyo. Wala naman eh. Pare-pareho lang tayong tangin na yung tao. Diba? Iibahin mo lang yung mindset mo pagdating dyan sa bisyo. Diba? Yes, mahirap yan. Mahirap yan tanggalin. It's fucking hard. Very, very hard. But it's not impossible. It's not impossible, guys. Diba? Wala namang nagtutok ng baril sa ulo mo na tangina mo, manigarilyo ka. Kaya ina mo, magshabu ka. Wala namang ganun eh. Tangina, ikaw lang gumagawa nun eh. Bukas-bukasan mo na yung isip gago, isip tarantado, di ba? Tangina yan. Yung mindset na pakul. Tangina, pakul, puta, at what cost? Diba? Tangina, at what fucking cost? What, your health? No, I need it for my mental. Tangina mo, masira ulo mo kasi sinisira mo yung katawan mo. Ay, di ba nila kasi, ano eh, it's fine, we're all gonna die anyways. Fucking, tangina, says the person with no fucking accountability whatsoever. Putang ina. Quit while you still can. Not when it's too late. Hindi yung putang ina pag late na. Puta sa pool ka na, may ganito ka na, may ganyan ka na, puta whatever shit's going in your body because of your poor lifestyle choices, your poor habits, your bad habits. Tangina, they're all gonna bite you in the ass at the end. O, wala na. Diba? Then that's the time na tangina, ayoko na, magbabago na ako. Tangina, too late na boy.